summary, we'll see as below. You will see the Comoros Archipelago, the Maritime Safety and Security, National Coast Guard, the mission, organization, assets, and conclusion. So, the Comoros Islands. As you know that the Comoros Islands are located in that position, we have the coordinated. So, the coordinate is 11 degree 42 south, longitude 43 east, 15. And we have the capital is Moroni. Official language, we have the French, like the administration, Arabic, and Shikomori, the mother language. Our religion is Muslim. Population is about 88,000. And the indicative code is 269. The area is 2,236 square. And the currency is KMF. So as you see that the Comoro Island is located in the Mozambique Channel, to the northwest of Madagascar and facing Mozambique. Maritime safety and security in Comoros. The one who is ensuring the safety and security in the Comoros is the Coast Guard, because we can. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
You got that?
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Because the Comoros Coast Guard is the actor of all activities of the maritime in the Comoros. And the others, we can have some agents like ANEM, Maritime Affairs National Agencies. We work together with the authority ports, the Maritime Gendarmerie, and the COSEP. Yes. Maritime traffic. As you see this picture below, he will show us where we are located, and it means that we are a good strategical position, because most of the traffic come in the Indian Ocean and the Middle East, pass through in our archipelago to cause good experience in South Africa and the West Africa. So what we need, our Maritime Operations Center needs more assets like AES, VMS, MMSC, such as to control this traffic, because the asset that we have, it's not enough, so we need more assets. Maritime surveillance. As you know that today the traffic is very increasing, so the Coast Guard or our authorities, we have to ensure this safety. So how we can ensure this safety? Because as you know that every day the traffic is increasing, so we have to ensure the safety of the people, the goods, and the vessel. We have to use the maritime traffic safety system, offer the following benefits to the customers: integrated vessel traffic service, navigational risk detection, improved resource allocation for greater efficiency. As you see below, our authorities, what they need to protect this interested in EEZ, contiguous zone, territorial waters, and internal waters against resource plundering, smuggling, illegal immigration, piracy, and terrorism, comprehensive for maritime operations. The security measure. What we should do, we have to apply the security measure adopted by the IMO as well as the international convention which ratified by the member states. We can take the example for the ESPS code. as to reminder the following tragic events of the 11th September, the Assembly of the IMO in November 2001 unanimously agreed to the development of new measures relating to the security of a ship. So the International Ship and Port Facility Security and the Code International Convention for the Safety of Life at Sea to enhance the maritime safety and security. These new requirements from the international framework through which ships and port facilities can cooperate to detect and deter acts which threaten security in the maritime transport. We have to coordinate with our ships to practice this measure like best management practice for protection against Somalia-based piracy. National Coast Guard. As I told you before, that the Coast Guard is the actor to supervise all the activities, all the maritime activities in the waters Comorian. So what the mission, the Coast Guard has two missions. The one is the mission of defense, and secondly, the mission of public service and police. So the mission of defense is the one that we're thinking so much to ensure the maritime defense of the territory, to supervise the waters under Comorian sovereignty. And secondly, we have the mission of public service and police, mainly the search and rescue operation, protection of marine and coastal environment, marine public resource. Coast Guard has to control the marine safety and the security. Coast Guard has to fight against the illicit maritime activities, the maritime piracy, and oversee and check all the hydrography and oceanographic activities. And the one that we consider is secondly the mission public of service and police, because this mission is very important in our territorials. And we refer with the International Convention for the Protection of Life at Sea in 1974. The convention came into effect on June 22nd, 1985. It established the international cooperation regarding search and rescue. Established by the OSCE, the International Organization of the Civil Aviation, and the IMO, International Maritime Organization. This reference manual is concerning the search and the aeronautical and maritime rescue that they give the manual EMSR is published by those organizations. Regional cooperation. We have a Comoros government has signed an agreement in South Africa for the Maritime Coordination Center. Excuse me. Yes. And Comoros has signed a multilateral agreement in Southwest Africa area of Africa, Orwich Multilateral 2009. He signed for the creation of Regional Center of Coordination and Rescue at Sea, MRCC, in Cape Town, in South Africa. And what the objective? The objective is to establish a regional maritime plan of search and rescue. The other state will shelter secondary center of rescue. So we have the Rescue Coordination Center, we have the Secondary Center of Rescue, and the Joint Rescue of Coordination Center. So Comoros Islands is for the third one, the Joint Rescue of Coordination Center. Operation engagement. In generally, we are responsible for the enforcement of the state in the maritime areas under jurisdiction, the territorial sea, economic exclusive zone, such as well as an international regulation. Finally, it's charged with the mission of public safety at sea and in some cases navigation aids such as MACAP. The main focus that our maritime safety and security requirement for the development, we require to have a maritime domain awareness, and the Maritime Operations Center be operational. We require to have an IS system because, as you know, that the traffic is increasing today, so we cannot control 100% the traffic. And even to have the semaphore station, that it can be more functional for the Coast Guard, that we can have all the control of the other islands. When we have the contribution for the regional organization like the IORA or the others that they did today, and even we suggest to have a regional maritime center, that this center can coordinate together with the other center like Madagascar, Mauritius, and South Africa, and or others. Engagement desire. Role of engagement are approved by the national authorities in consideration of the international agreement or approvement. It must be developed within the framework of the process of operational planning. So the legal advisor have to make sure that the role of engagement are in accordance with the law which applies, and that it reflects the political and national mandates of the countries which contribute has the strength. Organization. How we organize it? We have the National Coast Guard. This is the national organization. We have the port state and the NM. For the regional organization, we try to coordinate together with the ESF, Eastern African Standby Force, the Djibouti Code of Conduct, the Maritime Safety, MASE, IORA, and CRIMARIO. In the international organization, we have the IMO and the Interpol. Assets. The assets that we have the maritime asset, some patrol boats, the real infrastructure, that naval bases, and asset that we communicate with the VHF, the UHF, and others. We have a C-Vision. This one is to control the maritime traffic, all activities maritime at sea, and also the marine traffic. The average human beings, we organize officers, NCO, sailor, and civilians. And those assets that this picture show you below, this is the maritime that the asset that we use. We have some small boats. We have a small landcraft. We have another one. So we have 3 patrol boats that we can make our surveillance at sea. The threats that we have is the problem for the maritime piracy. Now we know that the piracy is reduced on the Gulf of Aden, so we have to control for the Channel of Mozambique, because you know there is no forces in this area, so we should be patrol to make sure that it's no piracy. In the EU, the illegal, unreported, and the unregulated fishing, debris destroyer, marine, and the challenge. The challenge, you have the illegal immigration. This illegal immigration come to the east of Africa because we have one island, it's called Mayotte, it's still under French. So those peoples come from this area, pass in Comoros to enter in the Mayotte. In conclusion, to conclude, our units needs more assets to control and survey the traffic, so we need quite average, reliable, being able to make him more functional. Because our country is a, we can say that is a baby one, it needs to be held so it can move like others. So this is why any contribution going to the sense of our objective is welcome. Thank you, sir.